Have you ever looked around your home and felt overwhelmed by all the stuff you've accumulated? Or maybe your mind feels just as cluttered as your living space. If so, you're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to let things pile up, both physically and mentally. But what if you could create more space? Not just in your home, but in your life. That's where minimalism comes in. Minimalism isn't just about getting rid of things. It's about making room for what truly matters. It's about living with less so you can focus on more time, more freedom, and more joy. Whether it's decluttering your home, simplifying your wardrobe, or cutting down on digital distractions, minimalism offers a way to bring more peace and clarity into your life. In this video, we'll explore 9 methods for decluttering your life. These tips will help you not only clear out the physical clutter, but also simplify your daily routines and mental space. By the end of this video, you'll have practical steps to start living a simpler, more intentional life. So let's dive in and discover how you can start decluttering today. Number 1. The KonMari method. The KonMari method, created by Japanese organizing expert Marie Kondo, is a popular way to declutter your home. The idea is simple. You only keep items that spark joy. If something doesn't make you feel happy or serve a clear purpose in your life, it's time to let it go. To start, you don't tackle your home room by room. Instead, you sort through your belongings by category. For example, begin with your clothes, then move on to books, papers, miscellaneous items, and finally, sentimental things. As you go through each item, hold it in your hands and ask yourself, does this spark joy? If the answer is yes, keep it. If not, thank the item for its service and let it go. The KonMari method is about more than just tidying up. It's about creating a space that reflects who you are and what you love. By surrounding yourself only with things that bring you joy, you can transform your home into a place of peace and happiness. Plus, this method helps you develop a deeper appreciation for the things you choose to keep, making your space feel more personal and meaningful. Number 2. The 1 in 1 out rule. The 1 in 1 out rule is a simple yet effective way to keep your home clutter-free. The idea is straightforward. For every new item you bring into your home, you must let go of something else. This rule helps prevent the buildup of unnecessary items and keeps your space organized. For example, if you buy a new pair of shoes, you should donate or discard an old pair. This approach works well for everything from clothes to kitchen gadgets. By sticking to this rule, you maintain balance in your living space, making sure it never gets too crowded. The 1 in 1 out rule encourages mindful consumption, ensuring that every item in your home has a purpose or brings you joy. It's a practical step toward living a simpler, more minimalist lifestyle, where you only keep what you truly need or love. Number 3. The 90-90 rule. The 90-90 rule is a simple guideline to help you decide what to keep and what to let go of. The idea is to ask yourself 2 questions. Have I used this item in the last 90 days? And will I use it in the next 90 days? If the answer to both questions is no, it's probably time to let that item go. This rule is especially useful for clearing out things that you might be holding on to just in case, but that you rarely, if ever, use. It helps you focus on keeping only the things that truly add value to your life right now. By applying the 90-90 rule, you can quickly reduce clutter and make your living space more functional and peaceful. It's an easy way to practice minimalism, ensuring that your home is filled only with items that are useful or meaningful to you. Number 4. Digital decluttering. Digital decluttering is all about cleaning up your digital life to reduce stress and improve focus. Just like physical clutter, digital clutter, like too many apps, unread emails, or disorganized files, can make you feel overwhelmed. By decluttering your digital space, you can create a more peaceful and productive environment. Start with your emails. Unsubscribe from newsletters you no longer read and delete old messages that you don't need. Next, organize your files and folders on your computer. Create clear, labeled folders and delete files that are outdated or unnecessary. This will make it easier to find what you need when you need it. Another area to tackle is your phone. Delete apps you rarely use and organize the ones you keep into folders. You can also turn off non-essential notifications to reduce distractions throughout the day. Digital decluttering isn't just about tidying up. It's about simplifying your digital life so you can focus on what really matters. With fewer distractions and better organization, you'll find it easier to concentrate and enjoy a more balanced, less stressful digital experience. Plus, a clean digital space often translates to a clearer mind. Number 5. The capsule wardrobe. A capsule wardrobe is a small collection of clothing that you love and wear regularly. The idea is to simplify your wardrobe by focusing on quality over quantity. Instead of having a closet full of clothes you rarely wear, a capsule wardrobe includes only a few versatile, high-quality pieces that can be mixed and matched. To create a capsule wardrobe, start by sorting through your clothes and keeping only the items you truly love and wear often. Choose pieces that are timeless and can be styled in different ways. Typically, a capsule wardrobe includes around 30 to 40 items, including tops, bottoms, shoes, and outerwear. By adopting a capsule wardrobe, you save time deciding what to wear each day, reduce clutter in your closet, and make your daily routine simpler. It's a practical way to embrace minimalism and enjoy a more intentional, stress-free approach to fashion. Number 6. Minimalist budgeting. Minimalist budgeting is all about simplifying your finances so you can focus on what really matters. Instead of spending on things you don't need, this approach encourages you to be mindful of where your money goes and to prioritize your true needs and goals. To start minimalist budgeting, first track your spending. Write down everything you spend money on for a month. This will help you see where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. Next, separate your expenses into needs and wants. Needs are essentials like rent, groceries, and bills, while wants are non-essential items like eating out or buying new clothes. Once you've identified your needs and wants, create a simple budget that focuses on covering your needs first. Set aside money for savings and consider reducing or eliminating spending on things that don't add real value to your life. This might mean cooking more at home instead of eating out or skipping that daily coffee shop visit. Minimalist budgeting helps you gain control over your finances, reduce stress, and free up money for things that truly matter, like saving for the future or spending on experiences that bring you joy. Number 7. Decluttering relationships. Decluttering relationships means focusing on the people who truly add value to your life and distancing yourself from those who drain your energy or bring negativity. Just like with physical clutter, having too many unhealthy or toxic relationships can make life feel overwhelming and stressful. To start, think about the relationships in your life. Which ones make you feel happy, supported, and understood? These are the relationships to nurture. On the other hand, if someone consistently causes stress, negativity, or brings you down, it might be time to set boundaries or limit your interaction with them. Decluttering relationships isn't about cutting people off harshly, but rather about being mindful of who you spend your time with. By surrounding yourself with positive, supportive people, you create a more peaceful and fulfilling life, just like a minimalist home that only contains what truly matters. Number 8. The 30-Day Minimalism Game. The 30-Day Minimalism Game is a fun and effective way to start decluttering your life. The idea is simple. On the first day, you get rid of one item. On the second day, you get rid of 2 items. You continue this pattern, increasing the number of items each day until you reach the 30th day, when you'll let go of 30 items. By the end of the month, you'll have removed a total of 465 items from your home. This game is a great way to ease into minimalism without feeling overwhelmed. It's also a challenge you can do with a friend or family member to make it more enjoyable and keep each other motivated. To play, start by choosing items you don't use or need anymore. These could be clothes, kitchen gadgets, old books, or even digital files. As you progress, you might find it harder to let go of things, but that's where the real benefits come in. You'll start to evaluate what truly adds value to your life and what doesn't. The 30-Day Minimalism Game helps you clear out clutter gradually, making the process less stressful and more manageable. By the end of the 30 days, you'll feel lighter, more organized, and more in control of your space. Number 9. Mindful consumption. Mindful consumption is about being thoughtful and intentional with what you buy and bring into your life. Instead of purchasing things on impulse, you take the time to consider whether you really need an item, if it will bring you joy, and if it aligns with your values. To practice mindful consumption, start by asking yourself a few questions before making a purchase. Do I need this? Will it add value to my life? Can I live without it? By thinking carefully about your purchases, you avoid cluttering your home with things you don't truly need. Mindful consumption also means choosing quality over quantity. It's better to invest in fewer, high-quality items that will last longer, rather than buying many cheap items that may quickly wear out. This approach helps you live more simply, save money, and reduce waste, all while ensuring that the things you own genuinely enhance your life. Decluttering your life is about more than just cleaning up your space. It's about creating room for what truly matters. Remember, minimalism isn't about living with nothing. It's about living with just enough. It's about focusing on what brings you joy and letting go of the rest. Start with one or two of these methods that resonate with you and watch as your life becomes less cluttered and more meaningful. Decluttering is a journey, and each small step you take leads to a simpler, happier, and more fulfilling life. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.